Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. This is Around Abam, very close to Ebana Ebuano. And I'm going to Nsirimo. So this road you are seeing here leads you to Nsirimo. So the journey begins. This is my first time going to this part of Obakala. I don't know what I'm expecting to see, but the road is not paved yet. We believe say government hand go enter this place soon. We believe the government is going to fix this road soon, since the government is fixing all the roads that are bad in Umuahia. So this is a very big field that I saw on my way to Nsirimo. It's very big, very big. And I didn't see any school like the normal thing we see, where you see a field, you see a primary school or a secondary school. This type of thing we always see it in the east, where I didn't see a school there. So this is what going to Nsirimo is what you'll be seeing on your way. Like I said, I haven't been to Nsirimo before, so I don't even know the name of the community that I'm passing through right now. I think this is still not part of Mbarakuma. This should be around Abam. So guys, this should be around Abam. Yes, this is Abam Obakala. I think I know. Yeah, this is Abam Obakala because on my way back I saw on the signboard. So from Abam we are going to Nsirimo, and this is what you'll be seeing through the lens of my camera. Come with me as I go on a little adventure. The road leading to Nsirimo, this road is not wide. It's not wide at all. I wonder if they want to reconstruct the road. Is it possible that maybe they can expand, since there are still, there's still space where they can, expand the road to. Now, this road, you'll be seeing bushes from this side to this other side. You see people's houses, and I passed a company too. There are street lights here. I don't know how night movement will be here, but me, I go fear pass here for night too. You understand? But maybe not because it's not my first time. But there are street lights. Street light day. Yeah, street light day. One side of the road. But they suppose make them the two sides of the road. Just like if they do drainage now, you could do on two sides of the road, make it very okay. If you put this street light just one side of the road, they really make sense. If you make them two, it go just bright, everywhere go just. So the gate we just passed now, I don't know if it's the boundary between Abam and Nsirimo. I don't know. If you know, if from Nsirimo, you can tell us in the comment section if that gate is the boundary between Abam and Nsirimo. So we are still going down. Guys, kindly watch the video down to the end if you want to see, what I saw in Nsirimo. There's a community, there's a place. There's a particular place I got to in Nsirimo. I'm trying to remember the name of the place. But if you just want to see Nsirimo, just keep watching down to the end. Now, if you watch down to the end, you might not be the one to tell us, okay, this is where you got to. If you are from Nsirimo, you can also tell us in the comment section. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please kindly click the subscribe button and the notification bell above, so that whenever I drop a video, you will get a notification that Discover with JC has dropped a new video.